This is going to be a rocky week for cryptocurrencies. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you about exactly what is most likely going to be happening. I think there is going to be another very big crash here very, very soon to immediately be followed by a massive pump. And in this video, in just a few words, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what is happening, why it's going to happen, and much more. So make sure you stick around until the very end, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies that will make you lots of money. So last week, Thursday, is when the CPI report came out. And the CPI is a report that measures inflation. This metric here, this set of data is what is controlling the crypto market, it's what's controlling the stock market. It is pretty much determining everything in the economy, not only in the US, but around the entire world. It's affecting every single investment, oil, gas, whatever. It's affecting all of it. So the CPI data, guess what it did? It came out above expectations, which it has continually been doing, which is showing that inflation is not slowing down as much as the analysts in Wall Street is expecting. And this is causing the markets to crash. It's causing the markets to go lower. It's causing the markets to be weakened. As we see, there's not much volume in crypto right now. Usually there will be big bounces quite often, but cryptos are just kind of staying sideways. We've literally been at this price for cryptocurrencies for the past 5 weeks, but I think it's going to change here very, very soon, potentially in a matter of hours. Whenever data comes out, it usually takes quite some time for the markets to fully digest that information. And what that means is we had some really big data coming out last Thursday, which caused a massive volatile reaction. But here is the thing. I don't believe the markets have fully digested and reacted according to that news, because that news right there of high inflation, what it's showing is that it's going to strengthen the Fed's resolve to raise interest rates aggressively. And the Fed could actually, as the Fed futures are beginning to price in right now, the Fed could actually raise rates higher than they said they were going to last meeting. So very, very soon, the Fed is going to be announcing how much they're going to be raising rates for this month, and they're going to continually push up interest rates. When you raise interest rates aggressively like they're doing every single month, guess what it does? It means that Americans and people around the world have less money to invest in cryptos, to put into the economy, to buy things, and that crashes the crypto market, that crashes the stock market. But what's also very interesting is that the stock market is looking terrible, it's continually crashing, but cryptos are holding up strong. Why do you think cryptos are holding up strong? Let me know in the comments below. But I think cryptos are holding up strong because people are beginning to move away from the stock market and traditional means of investing, and they're looking for a safe haven to put their money, which is no other than cryptocurrency. That's why we're seeing Google getting involved in cryptocurrency right now. That's why we're seeing massive companies beginning to get involved in cryptocurrencies, and the crypto market is going to take off. It is going to bounce up. Cryptos will not go down to zero. Cryptos will not go down forever. It's not financial advice. But from what we have seen in history, cryptos have seen this before. Cryptos have crashed 85, 90% every single bull run. And they continue to go back up like Bitcoin and Ethereum because they've been around the longest. So I just want you to be prepared. There is going to be a lot of volatility. We might get some pumps. We might get some crashes. The futures markets that have not yet opened up. And when they do, we're going to start to see how the stock market opens up tonight. We're going to have to see how the dollar begins to move and react according to the news that was on Thursday. So we had in the month of May, we had, guess what, a bearish CPI. It crashed cryptos, pumped them back up immediately. Cryptos were going up, and then that next Friday we saw a crash, which happened this past Friday, and we saw a crash throughout the coming weeks. So that could potentially happen. So just be prepared. The whales and everyone are playing games, trying to trick people into buying, trying to trick people into selling. There's a whole bunch of stuff happening right now, but that's why I have alerts to let you know in the Patreon when to buy, when to sell, when it's about to crash, when it's about to pump. And that's why you need to be in the Patreon right now. The link to join the Patreon is in the video description. You do not want to miss out. I also have a crypto school mentoring program teaching people how to make 1% to 2% every single day, as I'm a crypto day trader, helping people to create another stream of revenue. If you are interested in this, apply with the link in my video description. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below.